Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, Warren County Family and Consumer Sciences Agent, and 4th of July is just right around the corner. Some of our celebrations might be looking a little different this year, but food is always a must to have around. So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and light, healthy recipe that is sure to be a crowd pleaser. So today I'm going to be making a mini berry trifle. So what we are going to do is we are going to start with our whipped topping mixture. So the first thing I'm going to add is 8 ounces of a whipped topping. You could make it homemade, or if you wanted to just do store-bought, that's what I've done today. To that, I'm going to add 8 ounces of a low-fat vanilla yogurt. So typically in trifle desserts, we see pudding. That's delicious. You could definitely do that here. This vanilla yogurt is going to give it just a little bit of a healthy twist. So to my whipped topping and my vanilla yogurt, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract just to give it some extra flavor. So I'm just going to mix this together. Now you want to stir this just enough to blend it. You want it to be nice and fluffy. So don't want to mix it too much, and I think that looks perfect. So what I am doing is I am going to be making my trifles in a mason jar, but you could use just a clear cup of any type. Plastic or glass would be great. So I am going to start with a layer of fruit. I am going to do blueberries, and I've just washed my hands. If you want to use a spoon or some kitchen tongs, whatever you feel is easiest for you. So I've got my first layer, and now you want to add a layer of the whipped topping. And I love the idea of doing individual trifle jars or cups because you can make them ahead of time, pop them in your refrigerator, and then they're all ready for your guests. So next I'm going to add a layer of strawberries. And I should have mentioned that what I'm using today for my fruit is strawberries and blueberries, the perfect patriotic colors. And then just another layer of my whipped topping. Now, some recipes you might see use angel food cake, but today I actually have some Brownie Bites, and I took the easy way out. I just bought some store-bought brownies from the bakery section in my grocery store. And so I'm going to add just a layer of Brownie Bites. And then going to add a layer of fruit again. Now I have my beautiful trifle layers. I've got my blueberries, whipped topping, strawberries, a delicious layer of chocolate brownies. So now I'm going to just garnish the top. I've put a strawberry slice on the rim of my glass. I'm going to add just a few Brownie Bites, a few blueberries, and they look so delicious, sure to be a crowd pleaser. The last treat that I have for you is a mini brownie bite. So here I have my store-bought brownies, super easy, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that whipped topping that I made earlier. And I'm just going to put a dollop on my brownies. And again, if you have any family members that turn their nose up to something that has vanilla yogurt in them, don't tell them, they won't even know. Alrighty, so now I've got my Brownie Bites topped, and I am just going to add a blueberry and a strawberry slice to each one. And They are the perfect little treat and something that you can make ahead of time. Alrighty, there we go. I'm gonna wrap up these and I'm sure I'm going to have to eat one. So thank you so much for joining us today. Whatever you and your family do for this holiday, we hope that you stay safe, smart, and healthy. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.